Morning guys, we're there back on this video, right? Right now I come from the shop because we got up to market season, you see me? Because my market season to do what I want to do. I want to do a delicious egg and sardine mix, right? Couldn't bother work, I see I'm not feel good and the video must go on. I have to make video phone. So, I want to leave a like on the video. Comment below and tell me what you think about this and how only about phone scrambled egg. So scrambled egg with sardine in it. Right? Yeah. I want to share the video here. Help me grow man, share it out and when you share it, tell the person who share the video to subscribe, yeah? You see me? Help me grow. I want to follow my IG because before I post any video on IG, before I post any video on here on YouTube, I'll post a snippet on IG. So who follow me on IG can actually keep up to date on what I go on and what I do. You see me? So follow me on IG man if you know what I go on. As I said before, stay tuned guys. There's so much ways how you can do egg and right now a long time with egg and I say yo, I'm gonna try the egg and sardine mix because my sister always do it. I'm say yo, I'm gonna try a thing too. Right now the fire already set up already. I'm gonna show it on the screen now. I just light it and reach it up. Basically reach home. You know? Take time scroll through lane, you know, because lane bad. So soon come people. When time I catch a fire and put on the pot, I'm circle back and soon come. So look more. Sometime now, put on the pot guys. Yeah, I'm gonna show you something. Some fish in here so in the bottom now. Anybody in Jamaica want to find the system for them, see fish pan here and them the somebody so filter the water and all that, so take out the dirt and the fish everything out of the water. Yeah. So take out the fish out of the water, clean the water and aerate it back and get them back, you see me? Yeah. So I'm pushing them and see if I can choose some feed in the night and see if they can come up on top. I couldn't see them. Guys they now come up here man, so I just do what I have to do and leave them alone, so soon come back. So guys, in the meantime, the oil go hot. I cut up my onion and so forth, the garlic and them things. I get tomato and sweet pepper. So all on there. And the knife, I'm just get a knife out here a while ago. Alright guys, I'm soon checking my code now. Alright guys, I actually can't find any sweet pepper. This is actually a different tomato. I can't find any sweet pepper. I swear I don't know what we do with them. Like sometimes I misplace things sometimes, you know. And when they don't want it again, then they can't find it. It's hard to feel low, I swear. Come on, you get to a whole man, it doesn't have to feel off of it. So, see, they come below and tell me, oh, consume them, and like, boy, I with it. Yeah, man, because them say it's good for you. Let's peel off here, no, because you now come off. No, come off here, man. You can put skeleton type of into people. You can put basically what you want tonight. Now put a meat eat tonight. Yeah. So watch doing now. And my tray oil in the pot. Alright guys. So I don't know. Yeah. Basically don't want much oil night. We have scrambled egg, you know how much oil. So make them in saute, them throw in eggs. All the oil are nice and deep because the flavors from onion and the tomato and the garlic and the oil. You see me, then you know how much oil we have. Scrambled eggs. As soon as I done do this, man check on video, because right now I have video for drop. Me even one, I have not video for drop, but I have one for drop this morning, so as soon as I done this, I just drop it. All I wash off and then I go up on the road. Alright guys, look on the side. Is it nice? Yeah. So I can egg them now. They add a sardine. So easy for consume this bread. So it's some. See? Egg and sardine. This have done them people because when the sardine cook already, you kind of too hot people and the egg don't take the time to done. I people this is egg and sardine. So I'm saying before, come below and tell me how only about food egg. Oh. Long time with egg now, long time. I'm just saying you have to try it this way because I have seen my sister them do it this way. Egg and sardine, yeah. So take out this now, consume time, so soon come back. Alright guys, if you didn't right here, so that means I make it to the end of the video. You see me? I want to say big respect to who support the channel, content support the channel, and I want to share the video. You see me? Share the video guys, please. At Christmas now, so let's do that for my Christmas gift. Yeah man, share the video. I'm not asking for the money or nothing like that. All I want to do, I share the video Subscribe and subscribe it and touch the bell. Yeah man. Put it on all. That's all I want to do. Just subscribe, like, comment and share. Yeah. Comment below and tell me how on the phone is scrambled egg. Share the video. I want to share the video. Tell the person say yo, if you subscribe to the channel. Yeah man. And follow me IG Jeff876 and Yasa Adventures. The link to page them in the description to the scroll along and give me a follow because I always say before we post something on YouTube, I always post a snippet on IG or me I do. So you can just come below. And you can follow me to keep up to date on what I go on. Yeah. So soon in our next video. So look more.